Unit 3, Part 3, Vocabulary, School Signs. Attendance, office. Attendance, office. Band, room. Baseball, field. So it's a baseball, grass area. The book room. Building, cafeteria, the college and career office. Again, the college and career office. The choir room. Choir room. Class room. The computer lab. Counseling office, and then counselors. The dance studio. Deaf and hard of hearing. Deaf and then H, hard of hearing. The floor. The football field. The front office or the main office. The gym. Hallway. Interpreter. The library. Lockers, or however you open your locker. Locker, locker, locker. The lunch area, so it's eat
afternoon area. The nurse's office. Nurse's office. Oral arts. Presentation arts. The parent center. Parent center. The parking, the three, parking lot is area. Parking area. Presentation or speech. The principal's office. Principal's office. To recycle, 2 R's, recycle. Bathroom, restroom is with a T hand shape. Bathroom, restroom. The service road. Service road. The stairs. Taft hall. Trash from your wrist to your elbow. Trash. And then the water fountain. Water this, or you press it however it is. A water fountain. Then we have Mr. Coob, Mr. Dichter, okay, this hand shape, Dichter. Mrs. Sidansky goes DS, Mrs. Sidansky. T on your chest, Mr. Mitchell. K right here by your eye, Miss Kaufman. And then like an M or like a closed W on your chin, Mrs. Gastelum. That's her name sign. Subjects is classes. Okay, Class, class, class is also subjects. English, biology, chemistry. 2 M's, math. With an H, history. 2 F's, fashion. Health, health. Cooking. Computer, science. Sports. Together and it goes like this, back and forth. Football. Basketball. Volleyball. Soccer. Cheerleading. Baseball, softball. Water, polo. Water polo. Tennis. Track and field. Okay, so track, like running, and then field, like activities. Track and activities. Cross country is distance running. So distance running. And then golf.